Welcome to JH. Let's talk about the Walmart weighted goods settlement, which is essentially a formal way of saying they allegedly charged customers more than the advertised in-store price. This covers everything from meat, poultry, and seafood to those mesh bags of organic oranges and tangerines. Because apparently, accurately weighing a piece of chicken is a complex science that Walmart just hasn't mastered yet. Naturally, Walmart denies any wrongdoing, but they've agreed to settle the claims anyway because nothing says we did nothing wrong, like a $25 million payout. If you're wondering if you can get a piece of this pie, you're eligible if you bought these weighted goods or bagged citrus in person at a Walmart store, supercenter, or neighborhood market between October 19, 2018 and January 19, 2024. If you're the kind of person who throws away receipts immediately, you could still get up to $25. However, if you actually have proof of purchase for every orange you've eaten in the last 6 years, you could potentially see up to $500. Though with a fixed total fund, don't start picking out your new yacht just yet, as the final amount depends on how many people actually file a claim. The internet is already buzzing with mixed reactions, with some people receiving just a few cents while others manage to grab over $25 without a single receipt. Some shoppers are frustrated that uploading a mountain of paperwork didn't lead to a massive jackpot, but most are just happy to see a direct payment hit their Zelle account. It turns out even a moderate settlement payment is enough to help cover a few bills in this economy. Rest assured, this settlement is completely legit and payments are actively being sent out via Zelle and prepaid cards. If you're eligible, go ahead and get compensated for those overpriced drumsticks. Thanks for watching until the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and helpful info.